Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and with a new look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for 3 comfortably and spaciously that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle you have 2 fold-out cup holders with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running, and moving on to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side you have your hands-free phone, or you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, your driver assistance features or settings, your fuel economy, eco coach, comm screen, and then you can also go into all of your service information. But then moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system, and you do have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom there. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You also have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch fuse, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something else of the sort. And then above that you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, again you have your hazards, and your traction control shut off. But then moving down from that you have your media controls and then your climate controls, very simple, easy to use. To the left of that you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector. You have normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and then on the other end you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode. So you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. But then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something into power charge from there. And you have this button up here to open the compartment above your glove box for more storage. And then below your climate controls, you have another 12-volt USB and USB-C with a shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or whatever else. Moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. Then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is very spacious inside. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath there too for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.